Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on DOGELON Mars. My friends, we have seen a beautiful retracement in the markets, Bitcoin as well. DOGELON Mars is down 10% after around a 30% spike. This is normal, and I will explain what you guys need to look out for moving into the coming days/weeks. And when the best times to average in will be in this video. So stay tuned. Let's get straight into the in-depth technical analysis. Boom. We're going to grab our fib level to the bottom, put it to the top. My goodness gracious me. Look at this perfect retracement. And it broke this 0.382 level, which is completely fine. Now, what we want to see in this green candle, this 4-hourly green candle, we want to see this thing break above this 1538 level and close above this 1555 level with volume. That's what we want to see in order for this to be our new floor. However, if it comes up to this 1538 level, begins to move back down and breaks this 1518 level and closes below that, then this is the next range we need to look for. Let's delete this, grab our rectangle. Boom, we want to look for these ranges here. 1452 to 1375. Now, if it breaks this candle wick, this previous candle wick, it will be heading down to these 1452 levels. What we want to see here is strong buying pressure with volume moving to the upside, creating higher lows in the market. All right, beautiful people. That is when you want to average in on confirmation. Whenever it comes down to here and pushes higher, or it closes above this 1554 level on the 4-hourly charts. It is quite simple, my friends. It's not financial advice. It is just simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. I'm making it super easy for you guys. Let me draw it out, dumb it down even easier. If this closes above this level, confirmation. If this comes down to here, pushes off with volume, confirmation. Boom, that easy. That easy. It really is just that easy. Technical analysis doesn't get more simple than this and more accurate than this. All right, my friends, this is DOGELON Mars Daily Technical Analysis. Hit that freaking subscribe button. We have I just added 5 more spots because it's a new month. I'm giving you guys a chance to get in December 1st. December 1st, they're already going fast. So if you want to join the Patreon so you don't have to watch these charts all day long, then check out the link in the description. Let's do this. All right, triple bottom here. The first time, all of you OGs, I just want to say thank you. You guys have been following this channel since 100 subscribers and we just hit 2,000. Now, I know a lot of you guys don't care, but I care. That's pretty dope. Originally, I started this channel as a simple reference for me and me only to follow my own trading plans because you can get lost in the emotional cycle sometimes. As it's spiking, a lot of times people are tempted to buy in. However, that is not the strategy. As it's spiking, you must be already in and then take profits. That's what we do here, and that's why I made this channel for me. You guys simply like this information, and I am very grateful that you guys find this useful. So, if you guys have been OGs, the first time you would have averaged in is at this 50% pullback. Second time, you would have averaged in on this green confirmation candle. Third time, you would have averaged in on this support level, triple bottom, my friends. All right. Then I called, if this comes back down on the triple bottom, we are going to see a spike to the downside because these whales are going to want to scare out all these retail traders that just got in above the triple bottom, thinking this is the new floor. If it sounds complicated, it's really simple. The big money pushed it lower to scare these people out. That's where we are right now. Now, these people that already sold for a loss right here are seeing the price get pushed up. Now, who's pushing the price up? Big money, right? So now, retail traders started buying in here. The big money sees that. They want them out of this coin. So they're going to sell some bags. The retail traders that got in around this area are selling their bags, dumping, which is allowing these retail traders that got reinvested again to dump their bags. This is some in-depth emotional cycle analysis right now. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn really, really in-depth, I have a pre-sale going on. It ends December 3rd and it's 75% off. So email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com if you want to learn how to trade these charts. Anyways, what we are seeing right here is these traders selling off. Now, once it comes into this area, My prediction is the big whales will step back in, pushing the price higher, leaving these traders getting lost. Of course, they are getting left with a loss. Not once, but twice, because they sold again, thinking it's going to go down even farther. Now, that's the beauty of understanding emotional cycles in the crypto markets, in any markets, guys. It's not about the crypto markets. Once you can read a chart, you can read the emotional cycles. You honestly don't even need to look at the news. The news is for those who cannot read price action. Price action is key. Price action is everything. The news is simply for the mom and pop investors that aren't smart enough. It doesn't even take smarts. They just don't want to take the time to learn this stuff so they can actually trade and make money. Now, crypto fear and greed index, this is what we're getting into. 32. My guys, perfect buying opportunity. Perfect buying opportunity. This is not financial advice. Simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. Every time we see it in the 30s or lower, it spikes. We've seen that time and time again in the emotional cycles of the market. The last time it was in the 30s was down here, my friends. It was down here and it was in the 30s. Now we are seeing it's in the 30s here. Do you know why? Because these people got scared here, got in the 30s, sold their bags. All right. Saw it get back up. Saw it get pushed back up by the whales that bought in down here. So they bought in up at the top like normal, like every single freaking time because they don't know how to use price action. And now they're getting scared again. Fear markets. This is how it works. Really simple, guys. Crypto Billionaire 69. If you like this in-depth, emotional, and technical analysis daily, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next side. I hope you're doing really good, staying healthy, hitting the gym, working hard, working your butt off to make a better future for yourself, because we all have equal opportunity, especially in these markets, and it's truly a blessing. So my friends, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.